how robotics fits into the McCool Academy way, as well as the different programs that are offered, because we do offer a wide array of opportunities. We start out with an after-school program that is Lego Robotics, and that starts in November, allowing 6th graders and up to be able to participate in the Texas Tech Lego Gear program. We get the information on competition dates and things like that late January, so this gives us the time to do some team building and just some program experience before they know what their tasks are. As a PLTW teacher, one of the contents that we have is automation and robotics. That is an additional thing that anybody can take. There's no requirements for it. And you learn Vex robotics, which is specific to PLTW. There are some campuses that participate in competitions with Vex, but they are very small in Lubbock at this time. Then I have another core class that I consider my elite or honors robotics group, which is my 5th period class. These students are handpicked by their performance and dedication that they've shown in previous years by testing their knowledge and dedication in participation with the program. If that happens, then they go into what is called First Tech Challenge, or FTC for short, and that is a year-long competition class that focuses on that robotics, improving and growing our knowledge base and outreach to help others. We're looking to expand it to even possibly mentor elementary schools at some point. I've seen some amazing students come through. That one of my current amazing students started out as a shy 6th grader that sat in the corner, and you could hardly get them to say that they were present in class, let alone participate. Now, 2 years later, this person does presentations, is an advocate, goes out on recruitments, and actually leads one of my robotics teams. Not just a participant, but a leader. And so I like to think that I provide that opportunity, and I try to encourage everyone to not see limitations. Well, the first thing I try to do is be a foundation that they can trust and build on. That way we have a relationship, they know that they're coming into a safe environment. Second of all, I try to encourage that whatever that person feels that they want to achieve, if they really set their goals and mindset to do it, they can achieve those things. Now, some people are really good at seeing the end and knowing how to get there, and the ones that I really like to help is the ones that they know the beginning, they know the end, but they're lost along the way. And so I learn how to give them those, I hate to use the phrase, but baby steps, small steps to build upon to get to that success. Teaching them those skills that, okay, you see that mountain, but how do you take that mountain one step at a time? The thing that I try to coach everyone, including my robotics kiddos, is that first, if you're curious, you are invested, which means you will self-learn. If you are really, truly curious, you're gonna go find those answers. Now, the second part of what I teach kiddos is to be skeptical, because you can literally find a subject and research it, and then research the opposition to it, and find that both come from credible sources, but they contradict each other. So at that point, what do you go with? Do you go with your bias, or do you go against your bias and have an open mindset to be skeptical of your own perceptions? And so curiosity and skepticism is a major thing for learning in general. For teachers and facilitators, we here at McCool specifically call ourselves facilitators because we are supposed to inspire that curiosity. We are to provide you the path and get students to actually grow their own knowledge, that the knowledge is at their fingertips, but how to get there and how to do it in a successful way.